So hello guys, today we'll see that how to add a 3D model to our website, and that will look like this. You can see this, we can hold it and rotate it. You can see the codes on code pen, and this is the code pen where you will find the HTML code here that uses a library that is by Google, that is model viewer library, and you can also search for, and this consists of a GLB file with a JS deliver CDN that is hosted on GitHub. And don't go on complexities, I will show you that how to host your own GLB files. See this cursor, this thing, and show it on your HTML file. And this is our blog post, you can see it there. And for now I will search for model viewer, and this is the website of Google. And let me open this, and the GitHub repository and the npm package, and this is the official website. You can see this human, and if I will inspect it, see this says not available in Safari browser, but I have tried it and it works fine on Safari. If I will show you, let's open this. Okay, I have okay, this URL, and you will see that this is working fine here. The CodePen URL is here, the same thing obviously, and you can find the article link in description and the CodePen link also, and go and get there the things. And let me show you a little bit fast. It takes time, it's a 2 MB model, and this is an X. Let's close this, and I will also show you that where you will find the perfect models for your website and create a stunning 3D website for your content. This uses the model viewer library. I shown you two methods. First is using three.js obviously, and this is the most popular library for rendering 3D objects in browser and creating it obviously, and lighting etc. There are so many features in three.js. You can also search for three.js. I have also a repository on three.js, you can find that there, and the codes are here. And this are some of the three.js build websites, and see how nice it is. And three.js is really stunning website. You can also create games with this. See this, wow, it's nice. And this is build normal HTML, it's not Next.js, so I think it's React maybe. Let's close this, I have to analyze it later. Where is my React dev tools? It's not on React. Okay, let's close this, and we will see that how to add this. For now, we have to get the 3D model first. So for that we have a website called Sketchfab, and there are so many alternatives of this website also, and you can also find this. I would like the free3d.com, something like that. I forgot the name, let's leave that. And let's add this model to our website. For that we have to know it is not free, we have to search for this is free. And for adding the model we have to download it, and you can also give the credit. This model is free, and I am going with the 26 MB file. Let's download this and see the preview here, and it's also playing the video. Let's close this, and after downloading you have to do one thing, that is let's use the X only. This is the X file. For that, this is last week committed, means this is not so old. Let's go to my repositories, and here I have a three.js repository. Here I will upload my model, and for the CDN purpose you can also host on your own server, but that doesn't make sense. If you have a free hosting, you can host your models for free on GitHub. If it's lower than 25 MB, you can directly commit it here, and if it's over 25 MB, you can go with the releases part. Just go to releases and draft a new release and upload your 25 MB, greater than 25 MB file here, drag and drop, publish it, and after publishing, just go here and right click and copy link address. Link address will look like this. Let's close this, and now we have to you can also use other hostings. I'm using GitHub because it's code related stuff, so it's all together. And let's, for now, three.js is not that complex, but still we are going with the model viewer because it's so easy. And let me show you nothing here. We just have to add a model viewer tag and the CDN, and set the source and alt, auto rotate, camera controls, etc here. And for that, let's open CodePen and commit the changes. I am also showing you that how to host your models, and here is my file models and this CLB file. You can also use the raw URL by right clicking and copying link, but this is not the optimized way. We should use JS deliver for the CDN delivery purpose, because it optimizes using the CDN. If you don't know about CDN, just search it. It's content delivery network, and that stores a copy of your data in your nearest server, and you will get the file faster. That's all. Let's close this. And if you don't use CDN, it will travel all the way from America to India or wherever you are. And this is our URL for our GLB file, and you have to download the thing in GLB file, or you can also use other files, but I will recommend you to use GLB, the 36 MB file. Let's download this also. Okay, let's close this, and this consists of motion. And let's go to this, and let's copy the CDN here and paste the CDN here. And after pasting the CDN, you can use any of the website. Let's copy the model viewer and paste it here. And from here, if you hosted your model here in your repository, in your whatever, it's HDR, let's replace this. Then you can give a relative path, but we have to give an absolute path. Let's remove poster for now, and the whatever environmental image, and here we have to specify our GLB link here. Just go, and we have copied somewhere, and here is the link. Let's copy it, and it's so easy to integrate. I just explained and added some bonus things for you, and it's a 2 MB file. It will take some time, and you can see our model is loaded now. And you can also modify it using CSS. Just height, let's say 100 VH, and give it a width of 100%. Okay, and let's HTML, we will give background GROU and a background black. Okay, so here is our model, and this look nice, but it's not in HD, so we will try to add HD also. And I think video is so long, we can also use this file, but for that we have to host it on any server. Where I will host, okay, let's forget this. Okay, you can just use the same process that I have shown you, the model viewer etc, and we can also use the this whatever CSS here, and we can also add a poster attribute here, and let's say https. I have sample poster remembered the URL because I have created it using bit.ly shortening, bb sample poster. Okay, bb sample poster, some typo, https, and this is the poster posted on my GitHub. Let's paste it here and let's save it. See the poster, you have seen this rendered fast, but if I will open it in incognito, you can see it will take some time in rendering. Till the time we will see the poster, you can also add a GIF like loading etc here in poster, and you can get it from multiple sites. Maybe I will attach the links of the useful websites from where you can get assets for 3D models and other stuff, loading bars etc. I use Lucid, this website, and I'm forgetting a website that's so good. Yes, that is SVG repo for SVG files, of course, but we can also export things in PNG format. And I forgot so many websites, but that I will attach the links, and you can also follow me for getting the websites. Thanks for watching the video, and see you soon. Thanks.